Strolling round the corner, seems carefree and relaxed. Looks like he's breezing easy, but he's coming off the tracks. Bittersweet waiting, sour, tart, and tangy taking up the lead. 'Cause it's the Mother Nature nectar he needs. Goes in Havana.
She comes a cool around the corner, as if she's conquering the world. Looks like she's taking over, but she's coming unfurled. Bittersweet waiting, sour, tart, and tangy taking up the lead. 'Cause it's the Mother Nature nectar she needs. Like cantaloupe, kumquat, watermelon, pineapple, apricots, honeydew, peachy plums, avocado, I'm a smitten, leaves me purring like a kitten. Sometimes all you wanna do is cry. You see the fruit on the tree, but it's starting to die. Well, there are other trees with more fruit nearby, so let it ripen in its own precious time.
They come a-floating round the corner,
beaming proud without a sound,
simply starry-eyed with wonder,
walking 2 feet off the ground. No more waiting,
no more sour, tart, and tangy taking up the lead. Now they're making Mother Nature nectar indeed. My baby cake's pumpkin pie, you're the apple of my eye. Honey bunny sugar lips, Tootsie Pop buttercup,
little dumpling, eat it up.